Ka Khasi Student Union KSU Shillong Mitngi Circle ha ka arpusau terik risau hadirin bakalayo ke jing ujor nakawai ka long kemie kabala Kynnoh ba kala Jrong Kti ha Dr. Gynecologist ha Neigrihms ha ka arpulai terik risau. Ka KSU ha ka arpusau terik risau kala lej banya kendu ya u Medical Superintendent bat u Director ke Hospital Dr. Nalin Mehta halor ke ke jing ujor. U Education Secretary ke KSU usamla Jermaya Potmi ulayat ho ba ke hospital kala thong da ke komiti ban Tohkit Bniah ahlor ke jingjia. U Dr. Nalin Mehta uloong ba ke kamat lara sya ke internal committee ban Tohkit bat ke komiti ke kinthop ya ki Dr. Kyntai bat ki wei bat ki banabar jong ke hospital. Ke komiti kan pendep ha ka kandai posni.
Jima penduduk ini nak kena KSU Family Circle ya Director dan Neigrihms kalau mbak kaji aku kes bah bisa membaca haras bahawa koi ke pasien baca haras koi doktor bahawa ini sentasing de ke jinjar lah di ke ada wajian menenang sini de nyipat malaysia jintip menahi de master jintip itu de kita jemit lah ya wan menmi sesuatu yang hospital de menes pang ayok penduduk ya MS nala nega hospital de la batai ni ba la dan komplain ba la ya file nak yang di bahieng long kem kepat ai kem pade ga FA ke file komplain apa ka hospital ni de nak yang UMS la pha jitep chau director de mentai da wakil director la yo jitep ba kene ka case la long ba ki dang long sidang form data komiti de hata komiti bala penben la don ki external du belum deh pok Neigrihms de seoi du ki la Bniah hi kene komiti bat nak lang dung director pula kena basai ba kene ka jingjia ka kes ka pemerintah la ya post act no prevention of harassment act aja kalah di nak lang du director la kena basai ba hakta komiti ba kimdon ginu di staff ne kinong trei ba di batai ko Neigrihms te kinde be ki external staff atau external di badan pot Shillong ba sabar iban sindawai dintu Dr. Jrong Kti ni lah Jrong Kti te ko isu tu ba doktor da ma kadega kamju ma ban pek ban sumar ki Jepang wisdom dapat ada syak boleh untuk long kedon dengan semua deh iong tak kedon semua ba doktor ni ban accused itu membanle sexual harassment kita dan nak bilang juga kita la semua tu ba la hamjong sistai te kata.
We have received a complaint from a patient, and as per procedures laid down by the POSH Act of 2013, we have acknowledged the receipt of the complaint. There has been an allegation that there was a case where a patient felt that she had been molested. That complaint has been received, it has been acknowledged, and as Neigrihms, we do not take these matters lightly. The matter has now been transferred to the administration and will be inquired upon by the POSH committee. There is an internal complaints committee as per the government mandate. It is mandatory for us to have a committee. The committee is chaired by a lady. It has members from within and from outside the institution. The committee will take the matter in their hands and do the needful. And the committee is not influenced by the institute employees or by the director or the MS or anybody. So now that the matter is with the committee, we will wait for the committee to decide what exactly happened, come out with its verdict and recommendations. And this is not a trivial matter. This is something which is followed by rules. The government is also aware of such matters. So action will be taken as per the law. And my request to also the media is to be responsible till such time that a verdict is made. let us not conduct a trial by media.
So yes, so you were saying about the committee. So could you please brief us regarding that? Which department comprises in this company? Like what other departments?
Offhand, I will not recollect, but the entire composition of the committee is there on our website. It has internal members and external members who are from Shillong, not employees of Neigrihms, and majority of the members on the committee are ladies. So you can visit the Neigrihms website, all the details are there and it's very transparent.
So for the time being, so regarding the doctor, has there been any action taken?
Empowered or authorized to take any action till we establish that something has happened. For example, tomorrow if you make a complaint against somebody, I can't take action till I establish that something has happened. So this is not my job now. It is the responsibility of the committee to make the recommendations, and the needful will be done on the basis of the recommendations of the committee.
So in your mind, do you have any idea who will head this committee?
If you go to the website, the chairperson of the committee is already named. It's not that I have to head imagine somebody. It is a committee which is already formed. Please.
Any time frame, sir?
Pardon me?
How long will it take for the committee to?
There is a very well laid down law as to what is the timeline, and I think the maximum time in which the committee's recommendation has to come is 90 days. Because there are times they have to acknowledge to the respondent and to the complainant. They may want to call both of them and talk with them. They may want to talk to other witnesses. They may want to do a whole bunch of things which are all time bound. The complainant or the respondent may not be available on the day the committee wants them. They may want extension. So all these things are catered for by the committee, but there is a time bound committee requirement to give their verdict or recommendation. I think maximum is 90 days.